After a new food bar has been set in its permanent location, it's now time to install the food guard glass panels. To install the glass panels, you will need a T15 Torx tool and a second set of hands. Wrapped in the refrigerated or hot wells, you will find a bag of set screws and pieces of glass that are wrapped. On a new food bar, there will be shipping blocks inserted into the glass clamp. The shipping blocks will need to be removed by backing out the set screws located on the bottom side of the hardware. Once the set screws are removed, be very careful as the top of the glass clamp will not be connected and could fall. At this point, set it down on the counter or in the well until it's needed. Before installing the glass into the clamp, make sure that the provided rubber glass gasket is centered on the end of the glass that will be received into the glass hardware. Now is a good time to have a second person assist you. Have them put the top of the glass clamp back in place and hold it. Insert the end of the glass with the gasket into the food guard clamp. Make sure that you're centered left to right and you push the glass all the way into the clamp. Hold the glass with an upward pressure and begin to tighten the set screws. Wiggle the glass to ensure that the glass is set in place, and if needed, continue to tighten the set screws. Do a final check to ensure each hole under the clamp has a set screw inserted and tightened to hold the glass in place. Should you have any questions, please reach out to us at hillphoenix.com.